In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open the URL Redirect Manager in Wix. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to your main Wix dashboard workspace. Make sure you're signed in and viewing the correct site or account before moving on, especially if you manage more than one website. Starting from the main dashboard is important because that's where all of your website settings, marketing features, and optimization tools are organized in one place. Once you're inside the dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see the main structural menu, which is where Wix groups together the different sections of your site management tools. This panel is designed to help you move quickly between areas like design, content, analytics, and marketing. For this task, you'll be working in the marketing and SEO area, so take a moment to scroll down the menu if needed until you find the option labeled Marketing and SEO. Click on Marketing and SEO to open that section. This area includes tools that help improve how your website appears in search results and how visitors are guided to your content. It's also the place where Wix keeps settings related to site visibility and traffic management. So if you're looking for redirect options, you're in the right spot. After opening Marketing and SEO, find and select SEO tools. This will take you into the part of Wix that focuses specifically on search engine optimization features and technical site controls. Depending on your screen size or dashboard layout, the tools may appear as a list or as cards, but the names should remain clear and easy to spot. From there, look for the tool card labeled URL Redirect Manager. When you see it, click that option to open it. This is the section Wix uses for managing redirects, which can be helpful when you've changed page URLs, removed old pages, or want to make sure visitors are sent to the correct destination instead of landing on broken links. If the page takes a second to load, that's normal. Once it opens, you'll be inside the URL Redirect Manager and ready for the next step in your workflow. As a quick tip, if you use this tool often, it may be helpful to remember its location under Marketing and SEO, and then SEO Tools, so you can access it faster in the future. That's it for this process. You've successfully navigated from your main Wix dashboard to the URL Redirect Manager in Chrome.